They need the college athletes need to unionize because now that okay, we're supposed to go to school. We're supposed to go to school. I'm supposed to learn, or you're trying to make the Utah Cougars, or you're trying. I know it's in Cougars, but you know what I'm saying. You're trying to make you trying to make us the Jets. Brandon, where does it stop? Then okay, we have to go play over here, play over there. This time zone, like I'm supposed to just bring my Chromebook with me so I can do my homework. Okay, it's a farce, dude. Unfortunately they put too much money and trying to again this model 24 teams. Otherwise, this is going to continue to happen. You don't need 24 teams. You technically don't even also need this cross. Why is Utah? I don't even know. Why is Utah playing Georgia? It does like that's a playoff game. That's what you want in the playoffs, right? You see what I'm saying? So like you're gonna have to save some of your matchups because the team, man, it's a mess.